Hello everyone, am I audible to all of you? Tell me, am I clearly audible to all of you? Okay. So hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. This is your mentor Mayank Dubey and I welcome you in this energetic session of Quant when we are targeting what upcoming SEBI Grade A 2023. Okay. So in SEBI Grade A exam, Quant becomes an important section or not? Yes, each and every section is important and we have discussed many so far we have discussed many important questions based on what Quant and on which pattern for your SEBI Grade A expected pattern. Okay, so here we are discussing the expected question. But before starting this session, I am here with a big opportunity for you all. Oliveboard is offering 40% off, right, on all the courses of RBI, SEBI, Nabard, right? And here again, as I said earlier, also that there is a new year offer right on 1st of Jan, but here in February also we are offering you the new year deals, right? So our new year deals are back and it is ending on 6th of February. You can save up to 40%, as I say, so flat 40, not up to. Okay, flat 40% on RBI, SEBI and Nabard course plans. So for subscribing these courses, for availing the offer, you have to use this code HNY, right, in capital. And what are the plans are there? So new year comes with new achievements, right, new targets. So choose your plan accordingly. There is a learn pack where you will get notes, current affair, mock test and many more things. Complete plan is there, comprehensive study material, right? And wait. Okay. So, there is a complete plan where comprehensive study material, mock interview, and many more things are available. And one more special thing is available here: combo plans. You can avail what you can take RBI plus CB combo pack or RBI plus Nabard combo pack, where you will get comprehensive study material, mock interview, right, plus study material, and many more things. So for your better preparation you must go for it, because you will get what proper customized study plan, right, dedicated mentors, right, and your regular observation means what are your studying, right, what is your level, and as per that our mentor will guide you where you have to work more, what are your weak sections, what are your strong sections. Accordingly you will get the customized study plan also. So I hope you are getting it well. So do just go for it. Do subscribe our courses, and for that you have to download our app. Link is given in the description box, right? So you can get the link from description box, and for availing the offer, as I said, you can use code HNY. So we pledge for your success. Commitment, consistency, celebrate. And the series offerings are what: live video batches, comprehensive coverage of syllabus, doubt clearing by experts, preparation guidance, exam centered study. Now, let's start the session. So if you are new to session, just like the session, share with others. And if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe the channel for the more updates. Okay, so our first question is what this was the homework, okay, of previous session of what SEBI Grade A exam. Okay, so what is the probability of getting a sum equal to prime number when two dices are rolled together? So first of all, you must understand, if two dices are okay rolled together, then there will be a chances of what, on first die you can see what are they asking actually. First, that you need to understand, they are asking the probability for getting a sum equal to prime number. Okay, when two dices are rolled together. So there are two dice. So on first die, we are assuming that the number is 1, and on second die 2 can come or not. Yes, 1 2, this is possible. Okay, 1 3 sorry, first on both dice you can imagine what, 1 and 1 number. Okay, and then 1 2, this is the combination. Then on next 1 3, these are the possible outcomes. 1 4, 1 5, when two dice are what, rolled together. 1 6. Now we are just assuming 2 is there. Okay, 2 is constant. Then on other die the numbers are changing. 2 1 combination can come. 2 2. Okay, then 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, and 2 6. Then similarly, now we will take 3. So 3 1 possible. Yes, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4. For your better understanding, I am mentioning these all things, so you will have the idea what are the things you have to focus more. Is this clear? I'm checking your text also. Okay. uh 3 5, 3 6 is there. Now 4 1 combination can be there. 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, right? Now similarly, what you can see, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, and 5 6. So these are the combination what we are assuming here. Okay, here you can see two dice are rolled together. So on first die you can see, okay, one is there. On second die, okay, one is there. Similar. Now second die, 1 and 2 combination can be there. 1 3. Okay, on two dice I am talking about both the dices. Okay, now 1 3, 1 4. Similarly 2 1 2 2. Similarly 3 1 3 2, and so on. Right now 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. So these are the all possible outcomes, and total is what? Here 6 outcomes, here 6 outcomes, here 6, here 6, total 6 and 6. So total possible outcomes are 36. So with respect to 36, how many such outcomes are there where the sum of those right number which are appearing on dices, that is equal to a prime number. Prime numbers are the number who are having only two factors, right? So 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 2, yes, 2 is a prime number, fine. 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 3, yes. So 1 and 2, such cases we are finding here or not? Yes. So in a first row, if we will check, 1 and 1 combination is telling us what? 2, that is a prime number. 1 plus 2 3, that is also a prime number. Now 1 plus 3 4, no, this is not a prime number combination, so it will not work out. Now already we counted how many? 2 already. Now 1 plus 4 5, yes, this is also a prime number. So three such cases which we require. Okay, so required outcome will come on what, where numerator place, so that will be the probability which we require. Okay, now 36 are the all possible outcomes that we know. So now see, in first row, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, where 1 is constant on first die and other dice, right, numbers are changing. So here if we will see, so 1 4 and 1 6 also, 1 plus 6 7. So this is also a prime number. 1 plus 5 6, no, this is not. So how many outcomes are there in this first row? So you will say 4 such combination are there where we are getting a prime number after taking the sum. Now 2 and 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3, yes, this is also a combination. So 4 already we counted here. Now 1 2 plus 1 3, fine. 2 plus 2, no, this is not a prime number combination because 4. 2 plus 3 5, yes. 2 plus 4 6, no. 2 plus 5 7, yes, this is also. So three outcomes, such outcomes we are finding in the second row. Now third row, 3 plus 1, no, not possible. 3 plus 2, 5. Yes, this is 1. 3 plus 3, no. 3 plus 4, 7. Yes. 3 plus 5 and 3 plus 6, no. So only two outcomes here, right? Which is following our outcome, which we require actually. Now 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, this is possible case. This is a prime number combination which we are getting here. Now 4 plus 2, no. 4 plus 3, 7. Yes, this is possible. 4 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 6, no. So there are also two combinations, such two combinations where we are getting the sum is equal to a prime number. Now 5 plus 1, no. 5 plus 2, 7. Yes, this is. Now see, 5, 1, 5, 2. So maximum case is 5 plus 6, 11. So the prime number from 2, see, the highest case is what? 6 plus 6. This is the highest sum of two appeared number, that is 12. So prime number must be less than 12, and those prime numbers are what? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So if we will check in 5, right, first number is 5, then second number must be what? So okay, these two combination 2, 3, 5 cannot be the sum then, because one dice is already having 5 there. So 5 plus 2, 7 we can get, and 5 plus 6, 11 we can get. So two such cases. Now 6 plus 1, 7. Yes, we are getting, and 6 plus 5, 11 we can get. Other combination if we will check, so those combinations are not giving us the prime number. So 2. So total how many cases? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Why I explained you in such detailed way, so you will get the idea how you have to approach. Otherwise it can be solved directly also. Okay, now by 3 you can cancel 5 times. This 15 will be cancelled 5 times. Now 36 will be cancelled 12 times. 5 by 12, which is available in the option B. So I hope it is clear. I'm checking your text. So is this clear to all of you? See, here we just followed a simple pattern. Just look out what was given to you. They were asking the, okay, two dice are rolled together. Two dices are rolled together. So there will be how many such cases? So if two dices are rolled together, then there will be 36 outcomes. That you have to remember. Total possible. Now we have to get what? The prime number. The appeared number sum must be what? Prime number. So those prime number maximum sum possible is what? 12. As I said, 6 6 on both dice, we can imagine that is the what? Maximum case, right? So here 6 plus 6, 12 you are getting. So less than 12, those prime number must be what? Prime numbers must be less than 12. So 11, maximum 11 you can imagine. So such prime numbers can be 2, 3, 5, 7. So the appeared number on the dice, their sum must be 2, 3, right? 5, 7. Any one of these. 5, 7, 11. Any one of these. So as per that we followed, and we can easily get what? Just think about that first dice is having only one on the face. So second die will have what combination? So in one what you can add? So you will get 2, 3, 5, 7 these number. So 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so this is the first combination possible. 1 plus 2, 3. Yes. 1 plus 4, 5. Yes. 1 plus 6, 7. Yes. So four such cases. Now 2, if first die is having 2, so 2 plus 1, okay, 3 is there. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. So three such cases. Now 3. So already if you are having 3 on one face, so 2 and 3, you cannot get these prime number as a sum. Now 3 plus 2 and 3 plus 4, so two such cases. Now 4, right? First die is having 4, then 4 plus 1 and 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10. So you cannot get 11 here. So that's why two such cases again possible. Now 5, if first die is having 5, so 5 plus 2, say, right, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, now 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus uh, 5, 11. So like that you can easily think L3 plus 4, then plus 2, then plus 2, then plus 2. Like that we get then plus 2. So that's why we are getting all the 15 cases like that. How many such numbers are there? Such combinations are there where we are getting the sum equal to prime number. So those combinations are 15. 15 upon 36, so you will get 5 by 12. So this is the probability. Option B will be the correct answer. Let's move on to the next one. Now next question is ABC started a partnership business rupees partnership business by investing rupees how much? 8,000, 6,000 and 5,000 respectively. If they invested their capital for 5 months, 6 months and 8 months respectively, then the total profit of business okay is rupees 2,900. Then how much profit? Not okay, this is wrong. C got, not Sanjay. C got at the end of the year. So tell me the answer. I'm checking your comments. Pankaj, okay, you can subscribe even banking course on our app, Oliveboard app. You can get that. Okay, and okay, B option B. Okay, very good. Uh, Sake Saikat Roy. Okay, so Roy, is this clear? And Pankaj, both. I'm talking to both of you. Is this clear to all of you? Fine. So timing, it is on every Thursday. Okay. For SEBI Grade A, this quant section is conducted right on every Thursday at 8 p.m. You can join. So is this clear to all of you? Tell me fast. Is this clear to all of you? Okay. And you can also join if you want to prepare yourself for a banking exam. Then you can join our courses. You can go, you can download our Oliveboard app. Their banking batches also available, right? Okay. Now see, here the question is based on completely what ABC started a partnership. So it is based on partnership and their investment are what? They invested accordingly what? So we will talk about investment. So A, B and C invested how much? 8,000, 6,000 and 5,000. Is this clear? Now we will talk about their time. Okay. Now, so time, for how much time they have invested? They invested their capital for 5 months, 6 months and 8 months. So this is the time. Now profit is given. You know total profit of A plus B plus C. That profit is given. So profit is equal to what? The profit ratio, whenever you have to find out the profit ratio, because we don't have any idea about profit. So profit ratio, how you will find out? It is equal to the investment multiplied time. Okay, by multiply the investment and time you can get the profit ratio. Just remember this. So now 8,000, 6,000 and 5,000 is there. You can remove these three zeros, right? Will be cancelled in the ratio. So 8 multiply 5 means 40, 6 multiply 6 means 36 and 8 multiply 5 means 40, and this also can be cancelled by 4, right, easily. So 4 tens are 40, 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. So now finally we are having the profit ratio. Now they are asking what? How much profit C got at the end of the year. So you will say, sir, they invested for 5 months, A invested for 5 months, 6 months, B invested 6 months, C invested for 8 months. So they are asking about 1 year. So after 1 year, they are asking after 8 months also they can say. So it depends on the situation. They are asking even if they will say 2 years. So we know that they have invested only for 5 respectively, right? For 5 months, 6 months, and 8 months only. So we'll go with that. At the end of the year, the amount will be say at the end of 2 year, 3 year, whatever they will say. We know the timing for what time they have invested. Clear? So in that proportion only they are going to get their profit. So see, the total profit is equal to what? 2,900. Now we know the profit ratio 10, 9, 10. So 10x plus, okay, we can say that A is getting 10x amount as a profit, B is getting 9x and C is getting 10x. So just take the sum, which will be equal to 2900, the total profit, and the sum is 29x is equal to 2900. So by 29 you can cancel this 2900 100 times, so x is equal to 100. Now you are having the value. Now what are they asking? They're asking you, okay, how much profit C got, how much profit C is getting. So C is getting how much profit? So that you know, 10 times 10x, 10 times of what, uh x. So 10 multiply 100. So this will be equal to C's profit, which is 1000. Okay. So your answer would be option A, 1000 rupees. So now one more thing you can see here, the other options which are irrelevant actually. 8,800, 9,000, 8,000, 7,500. If you are smart enough to, right, just eliminate this, then also you can do it. Okay, but that's way, right, this is the actual way to solve. I'm just telling you, by smartness you can see all the options which are even more than the total profit. Total profit was 2,900, and here you're getting 8,800, 9,000, 8,000, 7,500, like that, which is even more than the total profit. So how is it possible that C will get 8,800 or something? C will get less than 2,900. So only one possibility option. But the right way to solve is which I told you. You are having the total profit, but the total profit ratio, in which ratio it is divided among A, B, C, that you have no. So how you will find out that? By the multiplication of investment and time, right? By that you will get the ratio of sorry, profit ratio. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Now next one is based on what? A board. Okay, this section is very important. One question you will see from this section, absolutely. So this is from boat and stream. A boat takes a total of 12 hours to cover, sorry, not over, to cover 120 kilometer in downstream and 180 kilometer in upstream. If the ratio of speed of boat in still water and the speed of stream is 4 is to 1, then find out how much time is required to cover 350-kilometer distance in downstream speed. So now you're having the options: option A 8 hours, option B 14 hours, option C 10 hours, option D 15 hours, option E 12 hours. So tell me the answer of this question. I'm giving you the enough time. You just have to solve it. Tell me fast. Okay, 30 seconds you are having to solve this. Okay, at least try, everyone. And you can chat in chat box. You can text me if you are facing any kind of doubt, any kind of problem. So is this clear? See here. A boat takes a total of 12 hours to cover 120 in downstream. Okay, and 180 kilometer in upstream. So total time you have. Okay. So boat. Okay, you can say this is a boat. This is a boat. And okay, it is going what, in downstream means what, along the stream, okay, with the flow. So it is going what, 120 kilometer. Okay, the distance in downstream is how much? That is d1 equal to 120 kilometer, and it is with the flow, so that will be downstream. And against the flow, if we will say, so the distance is 180 kilometer, that is given, and it is taking the total time to cover these two distance. That total time is for how much? 12 hours. If the ratio of speed of boat in still water and speed of stream is 4 is to 1, then find out how much time is required to cover 350 kilometer. As I already told you, right, here you have to follow what, the basic concept first, what is given and what is required. So see what you need to find out. Okay, how much time is required to cover 350 kilometers. So they are asking you, okay, boat will cover 350 kilometer downstream, means speed of boat. Downstream speed is what? The speed of boat in still water plus speed of current or speed of stream. Why? Okay, this is the speed of water flow plus speed of boat. So x plus y. So do you have this x and y? So you will say no, that we don't have, but the ratio we have. X is to y, the ratio is given and the ratio is here, 4 is to 1. The ratio of speed of boat in still water and speed of stream is 4 is to 1. So we can say 4 is to 1. So you can say that x is equal to 4x and y is equal to x. Okay, like that. So even if you apply this here, okay, 350 x plus y means 4x plus x. How much you will get? You will get 5x. So 350 upon 5x. Okay. So this will be the time taken by boat to go in downstream 350 kilometer. But here we don't have the value of this x. How we will determine this? This x common factor. Then only we can decide the speed. 5x is the total speed, 5x kilometer per hour. But do we have the value of this x? No, that we need to determine. And how you will determine by the given data. What is given here actually? Okay, they have given us one relation. Okay, and the relation is what? Boat takes 12, a total of 12 hours to cover 120 kilometers. So 12 hours total. So T1 plus T2 is equal to 12 hours. Like that you can say. Now time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance 1 is 120 kilometer. And that is what? That is against the stream or downstream. So that is downstream, not upstream. So x plus y. 120, okay, kilometer, that is distance upon speed. X plus y is the speed in downstream. Plus T2. Distance 2 is 180 kilometer and divided by what? The upstream speed, and that is the difference between the speed of boat in still water and the speed of stream. So x minus y is equal to 12. Are you getting my point? I'm explaining you each and everything in detailing so that you will have idea what you have to do and how you have to approach the question. I can even solve this in 30 seconds, 20 seconds for you all. But the approach you must understand. Okay, everything so that you can attempt easily in the exam. So see here, x plus y. We have that x is 4x. So 4x plus x means 5x. 120 upon 5x plus 180 upon what? X minus y. 4x minus x. So 3x is equal to 12. By 5 you can cancel this how many times? 24 times. So whenever you are dividing a number with 5, just remember my words. Whenever you are dividing a number with 5, just multiply that number with 2 and just divide it, then divide it by 10. So 120 multiplied 2, 240, 240 divided by 10, so 24 you will get now. 180 upon 3, so 3 6 are 18, so 60. Okay, 60 upon x. So finally you are getting what? After solving this, you will get 24 upon x plus 60 upon x equal to 12. Now, by taking LCM, you can transfer this x this side. So finally you will get 84. 60 plus 24, 84 equal to 12x. So x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. So capital X is the our what? Speedboat, and small x we need to find out for that 4x. So small x value is 7 now. So 4 multiply 7 means 28 kilometer per hour is the speed of boat in still water, and the speed of stream is what? That is x means how much? 7 kilometer per hour. So total what we need to find out? Actually we need to find out is the time, okay, taken by the boat, okay, to travel 350 kilometer downstream. So 350 upon 5x. Okay, small x value is what? 7. So 5 multiply 7, 35. By 35 you can cancel 350 10 times. So 10 hours is the answer. Is this given in the option? Yes, in option C it is given. And I hope you understood it very, very well. So if you are understanding each and everything, then mark your attendance by liking this session and share with others also. Okay, and this session is very, very important, as I said earlier also. Again and again I am telling you. Okay, so do not forget to join on every Thursday at 8 p.m. So see, now next question is based on time in work, and I'm giving you another 40 seconds for this. Just try it. Okay, just read the question. Actually try to understand at least. Okay, then we will solve it. Tell me fast. Okay, just see. The question is A can complete a task in 20 days, B can complete the same task in 30 days. Okay, they start working together, but A works only for 8 days. Then the remaining work is completed by B and C together. So another person C they added here, but we don't have any idea about C till right till here. Now, if the total wage is 16,000 rupees, 16,000, then C is as efficient as B. Okay, now we are having the data that C's efficiency is equal to B. Then what is B's share? So it is based on what? Wages based question is here from time in work. So first of all, you need to determine how much work they have to do. So in this type of question, you just have to think about what cup of tea, okay? How many cups of tea they have to drink, that is they need to finish. That is your task, okay? So you just need to count those cups of tea. Okay, how you will find out how many cups of tea are there? Just know what you know, that A and B is there. So A and B is there, so their time is given. A is completing a task in 20 days while B is completing the task in 30 days. So just take the LCM of their time, 20 and 30. So you will get the total work, that is the number of cups of tea. Clear? I'm just checking your text. Clear? Okay. Now 20 and 30. So 60 cups of tea or not? Just take the LCM. Or even this way you can do. Efficiency per day. Here, the unit of time is what? In days. So, per day work is your efficiency. So, just reverse the time ratio. 20/30. So, just reverse of time. Just the reverse means what? Inversely. Time is inversely proportional to efficiency. So, 30 is to 20. So, 0 to 0 cancel. So, 3 is to 2. So, this will be the efficiency ratio of A and B. Now, this 3 is what? Cups of tea. So 3 cups of tea per day by A. So in 20 days, he can have 60 cups of tea, 20 into 3, right? Time into efficiency. Then 30, in 30 days, how many cups of tea will be finished by B if he is having 2 cups of tea per day? So 2 into 30, 60. Okay. So now this we are having, now we can easily go for the work, amount of work, because the amount distribution, how much amount is received by A, B and C after the work, that depends on their amount of work, how much they have finished. It depends on that or not? Yes, it is. So if we will start from here, A works only for 8 days. Okay. So A works for 8 days. Total how many cups of tea you have? 60. So from here you have started and here you will end 60 cups of tea. So A worked for 8 days and in single day he can have 3 cups of tea. So in 8 days 8 multiply 3 means 20 cups of tea he will finish or not? Yes. But after 8 days the remaining work is completed by B and C together. So B and C is coming in the frame now and A left the work because A is not doing. A work only till 8 days. Okay. So are you getting my point? Now B and C is working. So B's efficiency, we know that he is having 2 cups of tea per day. And they have to finish how much? The rest cups of tea. 24 already finished by A. So remaining one is what? 60 minus 24 means 36 cups of tea. And why I'm taking cups of tea? Because it is very easy to relate, right? You can easily relate cup of tea. So you can count easily. You can distribute easily. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you the task is this cups of tea that they have to finish, right? Okay, now see, B and C. So B drink 2 cups of tea plus C will have how much? So any other data? So B and C together, if the total wage is 16,000, okay, that is fine. And C is as efficient as B, means C's efficiency is also equal to B. So C will have how many cups of tea per day? 2. So 2 plus 2, they will drink 4 cup of tea per day. And how many they have to finish? 36. So 4 tea per day, 4 cups per day. So 36, in how many days? 36 upon 4 means in 9 days they will finish. But see, if, okay, they are working till 9 days. So B and C, right, their efficiency is same, means they will do the same amount of work. mean 18's cup of tea will be finished by B, then C will also finish the same cups of tea because their efficiency is similar and the time they worked for same time. Okay, so 18 cups of tea. Okay, so that we have now amount of work, how many work is completed, how much work is completed. B finished 18, C also finished the same 18. So now, if we will check the ratio, so by 6 you can cancel, 4 is to 3 is to 3. So this is the amount distribution. This is the ratio in which the amount will be distributed. Okay, the wage amount which is given 16,000, that will be distributed among A, B, C. So 4x will be the amount of A, 3x will be the amount of B, 3x will be the amount of C. So 4x plus 3x, total 10x, equal to 16,000. So x would be equal to what? 1600. So they are asking what? B share. B share is what? 3x. So 3 multiply 1600. 3x. B share is equal to 3x. 3 multiply 1600, so you will get 4800 rupees. So this is given in option D, so that would be the correct answer. And I hope it is completely clear to all of you. Now, a shopkeeper marked the product 50% above. So this is from profit and loss. Okay. So in your exam, you can expect more question from this section, percentage and profit loss. Okay. There can be 3 to 4 question at least, or you can say at least 2 and maximum 5. Okay. Clear? 5 to 6 or more than that also possible. So 2 to 4 question you can expect from this section. 2 to 4 question. Okay. Separately and arithmetic I am talking about. From percentage and profit loss together. Okay. Now see. A shopkeeper marked the product 50% above. Wait. Now. A shopkeeper marked the product 50% above the cost price and sold the product for rupees 120120. Okay, 1,20,120 by giving two successive discount of 10% and 11.11%. Find the cost price of product and the profit percent of the shopkeeper. And you're having the options. Okay, these are the options, and in options you're having what? Two things: cost price of the product and profit percentage of shopkeeper. That right, two things you are having here. So first of all, you must have idea about profit and loss, then only you can solve this. Clear to all of you? And okay, clear. Okay. So see, in this question, if we will talk about, if we will look out, a shopkeeper mark the product. Okay, so he's marking a product. So first of all, you must have idea about the marking, cost price and selling price. So cost price, selling price. So I'll give you some idea. So you'll have the particular. You will understand the particular pattern how you have to approach when you see a question like this, which is based on marked price. Okay, cost price, selling price, and marked price. So if they are marking 50% above the cost price, so you can assume that cost price is X for you. Okay, this is X rupees. Now marked price would be what? 50% more than that, means 150% of X. Clear? Because always if you are marking a price, then you will mark above the cost price. Okay, then sold the product for rupees. Okay, selling price is given, that is equal to 120,120. Okay, this rupees. Okay, this is the amount which is given to us. Clear? Now, by giving two successive discount of 10% and 11.11%. So discount is always given on the marked price. After discount only you are selling. So this selling price, okay, is decided after the marked price, right? After giving some two successive discount on marked price. So first one 10%, then they are talking about 11.11%. So actually, okay, what we can do here, you just have to understand what you need to find out here. The cost price of the product, fine, and the profit percent. So profit is equal to what? First of all, cost price Okay, and profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Clear? Profit is equal to that only. Clear to all of you? So selling price minus cost price. So upon cost price multiply 100%. This is what? The profit percent. Profit is depend on the difference of selling and cost price. If selling price is greater than cost price, then only you will get the profit. That is the basic which I am talking about. But the thing is, first you have to calculate the cost price. You are having the selling price in the question. Fine. But do you have the cost price? No. So that also you need to find out, they are asking, and the profit percent also. So here you can see 150% of X. If we will give 10% discount on 150%, so 10% of 150 would be 15. Okay, I'm explaining you how you can apply this here. Because second discount is 11.11%. That's why I'm telling you 150%. Okay, on the value 150. Just think about. Just leave this 150%. Just think about 150 only. Okay, after allowing 10% discount here, so 10% of 150 is 15. So just subtract 15 here. So you will get what? You will get 135. Okay, how much you are getting? 135. Now in this 135, successive discount is what? First you will give one discount, then on the remaining amount you will give the another discount. Okay, suppose if you are having 100 rupees product. So if first you are giving suppose 10% discount, successive discount, 10% successive. Okay, then another 20%. Okay, so 10% and 20%, two successive discounts of 10% and 20%. So here you can see first you will allow 10%. Okay, so 90 rupees after giving 10% on. Now another 20% will be given on this discounted price 90 rupees. Second discount will be given on this 90 rupees, not on this 100 rupees. Are you getting my point now? So you will have the idea what is actually the successive discount. Is this clear? So now, okay, suppose I was explaining you, so I am giving you some idea again. Okay, 20%. So 20% of 90 would be what? 18. So just subtract 18, so 72. So this is the selling price now after giving two successive discount of 10% and 20%. So second discount will be given on what? 11.11%, that is on 135. Now if you are going to calculate it directly, then it will be critical for you to calculate. Then 11.11% is equal to 1 by 9. So just take, okay, 1/9 value of what? 135. So just divide 135 by 9 and subtract it. 130 minus 135 by 9, which is equal to 15. So finally you will get 120. So after allowing what? After giving two successive discounts of 10% and 11.11%, your selling price would be what? 120% of X. Okay, I explained you how you applied this. Clear? Very good. Okay, now see, is this clear? Now 120% of X, and this is equal to what? Selling price, because we have the selling price. Okay, now so 120% of X, and X is cost price. X is equal to 120, 120. So by 120 you can directly cancel one time, then 0, because 1 2 0 3 values you have to take. Now again you can cancel one time, so 101, and this percent when you will remove, so 20 you have to increase here. So X is equal to 10,100. So this is what? This is the cost price. So cost price, now you are having cost price is 10,100. Fine. And okay, profit percent is what? So do you have to calculate that? No, because already you know selling price is 120% of X, means 120% of cost price, 20% more than. Ultimately it is what? 20% more than. You have calculated that. What? The selling price. Sorry, cost price. So 20% profit, and the cost price is 10,100. So is there any option like that? No. 10,000, 10, 11,000, 11,100, 10,000, 10 again. Okay, so similar option, just I'm making the change here. Okay, this one, 10,100, like that. So 10,100, yes, and 20%. Option D, you can go ahead, because two options were similar. So I just made it 10,100. So the answer is option D. Okay, is this clear to all of you how we approach? Profit percentage already we got, that is 20%, because 120% of x, and x we assumed as what, cost price. So 120% of cost price is selling price, so 20% profit ultimately is there. Now you just have to find out the cost price so that you calculate it with the help of given selling price. And I hope you understood it. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the let's move on to the next question. Now next question is, what is the area of room? Statement 1, the total cost of flooring the room is rupees 15,000. Okay, so this is based on what? Wait. So this is based on data sufficiency. Okay, where some statement will be there and you have to check whether the statements are enough to find out the given data, the given detail or not. Find out whether you are able to the thing which they are asking from you or not. Okay, now here what are they asking? What is the area of room? So this is the question, whether you are able to solve this, you are able to get this data with the help of these statements or not. So first statement is what? First of all, what you have to find out, the area of room. Area is what? Area is the length into breadth data. Okay. Now statement 1 is total cost of flooring the room is 15,000. Okay. So total cost of flooring. So this is the room, you can assume. This is the floor of the room. Okay. So total costing here is 15,000 rupees. How much? 15,000 rupees. So by this 15,000, can you tell me the area of that room? So you will say no. So statement 1 is not enough to answer this question, alone enough to answer this question. Okay. Now statement 2. Labor cost of flooring of the room is 1500. So if I know that labor costing, this is the what? Total cost. Okay. TC I'm writing here, that is 15,000. Okay. Now they are asking you what the okay, in statement 2, what is given? Labor cost. So labor cost LC, labor cost is equal to what? 1500 rupees. Clear? Now this is what? This is 1500 rupees. This is labor cost. So by labor cost, can we determine the data area, something given like that? No. So by the help of this labor costing and total costing, can we determine? No. That also we don't know. But now statement 3, okay, statement 1 and 2 alone also not sufficient, and together also not sufficient to answer. Now we will check the third one. Third one, material cost of the flooring per square meter is rupees 100. Material cost of flooring. So this material costing of this floor, okay, flooring, that is given. So this material cost is given in a square meter. Okay, square meter rate. So per square meter it is 100 rupees. So it is 100 rupees square meter or not? Yes. Now we are having some data. Okay, but this is also not enough to answer alone, because 100 rupees per square meter rate. Okay, but how many square meters? Okay, or how much total cost, that we know? No. By this third statement we don't know. But if I will merge these all three statements, so one thing I can calculate from here. First of all, this is the per square meter rate. So total flooring rate, okay, because they are asking material cost. So total material cost for the floor. Okay, yes, material cost for the floor, we can say what, we are just assuming that there are what, okay, the area of that room is x square per meter. How much? X meter square. This is the area. So total area is this, per square meter is 100 rupees. So total material costing will be 100x meter square or not, right? This will be the costing rupees. Okay, clear to all of you? This amount, so 100x. But here the value of x is what? That is meter square, means the area. Now just see, total costing is equal to what? Labor cost plus material cost. Clear? Now total costing is 15,000 rupees. So I'm helping you to analyze, because in this type of question No need to solve what the whole data. They are not asking the answer. They are just checking whether you are able to solve right by these statements or not. So this is what you just need to check, whether the data is enough, in which way it is enough to gather all these statements, only two statements together or one statement alone or something else. So that you need to check out here. So I can say by the help of these three statements we can get the answer directly. Okay, so all statement together, option A is the answer. Why? Because see, total costing is what, 15,000 that we have. Labor costing is 50 that we have. Material costing is how much? 100x. Clear? This is equal to 100x. So by the help of this, we can easily get the value of x or not. 15,000 minus 1500. So that will be 13,500 just divided by 100. So x is equal to 135. Clear? So 135 meter square. This is the area we can say of the room. So ultimately we are getting the answer. No need to solve. Okay. Till here. Don't go for the full solution. Just realize where you can use, whether you can use this data to get the answer or not. If you are able to solve it by the help of these three or two, as I said earlier also, then answer the question accordingly. So here we are, okay, here we need what, all the three statements together. So option A is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the clear. Okay, let's move on to the next question, and it is based on what, the ratio of percentages of A and B. This is also based on what, data sufficiency. Here they will ask you some okay, some data, and you have to check whether you have you are able to find out the data with the help of these statement or not. We have already solved in the previous one also, and in my previous sessions also we have already done many questions. Okay, so see, statement here, first thing is what, ratio between percentages of A and B. So that is given 1 is to 3. Find the percentage of B. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Statement 1, difference between the percentage of C and A is 25 years. So by taking the difference of C and A, C minus A or A minus C, this is 24 years. And one more data they have given at the start, the percentage ratio of A and B, that is 1 is to 3. So by this can we solve? Can we get the age of B? No. So statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Now second, the percentage of C is 6 year. Okay. So the present age of C is 6 year less than the thrice the percentage of A. Okay, thrice the percentage of A will be 3A minus 6 is equal to the age of C. This is what given. But by the help of this even, can we solve C equal to 3A minus 6 when I am taking only this second statement alone? So I am having this data, C is equal to 3A minus 6, and one data, A is to B is equal to 1 is to 3. So the ratio is between A and B, and this relation is between C and A. So no, not possible. But if I will merge first and second, can we solve? Yes. Because see, C is equal to 3A minus 6, and one thing we know that C minus A is equal to 24. Clear? C minus A is equal to 24 in first statement. And in second statement, C is equal to 3A minus 6. So this is the first equation and second equation we can say. So second equation value means the value of C we can put here. C is equal to 3A minus 6. So 3A minus 6 minus A is equal to 24. Now 6 can be transferred there that side, and 3A minus A means 2A is equal to 30. So A is equal to 15. Clear? So already we are getting the age of A here or not? Yes, we are getting the age of A here. That is 15. And you will say no, but they are asking the age of B. So we have the ratio of A and B or not? Yes. A is to B is 1 is to 3. Means B's age is just twice of A. So A's age is 15. So 3 times of 15 is what? 45. So B's percentage is 45. Yes, we are able to solve by the help of first and second together. Now we will check the third one. The difference between the percentages of B and A is. So here the direct data is given between B and A. And one thing we know about already B and A, that is given at the start. 1 is to 3, their percentage ratio. And their percentage difference also given, that is 30 years. So by the help of this, yes, we can easily calculate, because A's age, as per this ratio, we can assume X years, and B's age will be 3 times of that, 3x years. So there the age difference is what? 3x minus x means 2x is equal to 30 years as per the third statement. So x is equal to 15, means the age of A is coming 15. So we can easily get the age of B, that is 45. Clear? So third one is alone sufficient to answer. And if you will go in the option, so either 1 and 2 together, yes, by the help of first and second also we were getting the age of B together, or third alone, yes, this would be the correct answer. Okay, either you need one first and second statement together, or third alone. Clear? Or third alone. Let's move on to the next one. So our next question is, what are the marks obtained by Amit in the English? So they are asking us the Amit's marks in English, and this is also based on what? Data sufficiency. See, data sufficiency is one of the most important topic for your SEBI Grade A, RBI Grade B, right? Nabard Grade A. If you are preparing for all these exams, then you have to focus more on it, right? SEBI Grade A. This session is especially for SEBI Grade A. If you are preparing for RBI Grade B even, then you have to attend this session also. Okay, because it will play an important role in exam. In data sufficiency, you just have to check the data, that is fine, but how you have to approach, because there can be a what more confusion in this type of question. You are having many statements, how you will merge, how you will check separately. That right approach you are learning here, right? Clear? Okay. Now see, what are the marks obtained by Amit in English? Statement 1. Marks obtained by Amit in English, we need to find out. See, this is our target. Now marks obtained in maths is as much as more than Hindi. So first statement, if I will consider first statement, so it is given marks obtained in maths is as much as more than that in Hindi, as the marks obtained in Hindi is more than that in English. Okay, so they are talking about what? Okay, the marks uh, obtained in maths is as much more than that in Hindi. So maths minus the marks of Hindi is actually equal to what? The marks obtained in Hindi is more than that in English. So Hindi minus English. This is the difference between Hindi and English. So this is what they are talking about in statement 1. So by the help of that, can we determine the marks in English? No. So statement 1 alone not sufficient. Now second, the average marks obtained by Amit. The average marks obtained by Amit in English, Maths and Hindi are 70. So average marks obtained by these three, Amit uh, and what? Sorry, Amit only. They are talking about the subject. So English plus maths plus Hindi. So total would be what? 70 on an average. So three subjects are there. 70 into 3 means 200 times. So by this statement, their sum we are getting, how much total marks they have got, and on an average what they are getting. But this is not the actual marks of Amit in English. So this second statement also alone not sufficient to answer. Okay. This also we cannot use to answer. But if I will talk about this particular thing, statement 1 and statement 2 together, just see, just look out. Statement 1 and 2 together. Then can we solve it? Yes, it is. How is it possible? See, maths minus Hindi equal to H minus E. This is Hindi. Okay. So Hindi we can transfer one side. So H plus H, because minus H will be transferred here. So 2H is equal to M plus E. So maths and English marks are equal to the double of Hindi marks, just twice of that. So maths and English here, E plus M can be transferred by this 2H or not? Yes. So 2H plus H. So 3H is equal to 210. If we are merging first and second, so H, the marks in Hindi is equal to 70. But here we are getting actually the marks of Hindi, but they are asking the English. Can you find out the marks of English? So you will say no, here we cannot. Why? because see, E plus M is equal to 2H, that we know. So the sum of maths and English, that we know, that is equal to 140 by the help of first and second. But how much in English can we determine? No. So still we need third one. So we'll go for third one. Actually, we are unable to determine the marks in English. If they have asked you marks in Hindi, yes, that we can find out. So for that, statement one and second enough to answer. I am telling you each and every situation what you can face, right? So see, third statement is what? Marks obtained by Amit in maths is 6 more than that obtained in English. So maths minus English, that difference is given now, and that is equal to 6. So Amit, marks obtained by Amit in maths is 6 more than that obtained in English. So maths minus English is equal to 6. So by this single statement third, can we determine the marks in English? No. But if we will take this data and merge it with first and second detail, because we are having, by the help of first and second statement, we are having maths plus English is equal to 140. Now we are having the difference of maths and English, that is equal to 6. So yes, by the help of these two equations, right, this equation and this, we can say first and second, yes, we can solve it. We can solve it. Maths plus English is equal to 140. Maths minus English equal to 6. You can even put maths equal to 6 plus English, means in place of maths you can put in this particular equation what? 6 plus uh, English, because in maths he is getting 6 more than English. So English plus 6 plus English equal to 140, right? So 2 twice of English is equal to 134. So English, in English 67 marks. Yes, you are able to solve. But here I'm explaining for you all. So I'm getting this detail. I'm solving till the end. No need to go for full solution. Even when you will check, okay, here I'm having the difference of maths and English. So easily I can, now I can get the marks in maths, English, right? Easily. But we have to merge first, second, and third, as I said, all these statements. By first and second, we got the sum of maths and English marks. And in third statement, already a difference of maths and English is given. So by the help of all these three, we can easily solve. So all statements together needed, okay, to get the marks of English. How much Amit got in English. Now, let's move on to the next question, and it is based on wrong term number series. Find the wrong term in the given series. So these are the numbers which are given to you. Now tell me what is the wrong number in the series. Tell me fast, and do like the session if you haven't liked your clear. I'm checking your comments, text. I'm expecting the answers from you all. Tell me fast. See what is given actually here. First is 13, then 22, then 40, then 76, then 152, okay, then 292, then 580. So it is completely in increasing order series, and here you have to find out the wrong number in the series. So just see 13 to 22, just take the difference first, plus 9, 22 to 40, plus 18, 40 to 76, plus 36. So if you will see the difference, so difference is getting just double. 9 to 18 just double, 18 to 36 is double, okay. So 18 multiplied to 36. Now 36 multiplied to. So the next difference is, sorry. So the next difference is what? 76 to 152. So it is 76 plus 76. But double, just twice of 36 is equal to 72. So it might be possible that it is the wrong number in the series. Just follow the series as per this pattern which we are expecting. 9, 18, 36, 72. The next difference must be what? So it must be 144. So first of all, 76 plus 72. So instead of this 152, there they have put what? 148. There must be 148. Now 148 to 292. Just take the difference. This is 444. Is this clear? This is what? 144. Just double of 72. Yes, it is. So if you will check 148 to 292, yes, you are getting that pattern 144. Now 292 to 580. So 72, just double of 72 is 144. Now 292 to 580. Difference is 280. Just double of 140. Yes, so logic is what? First difference was 9. Second is just twice of previous one, so 18. I'm talking about the difference between the consecutive numbers, okay, in the series. And this is the logic which is going on. Now, double of 18 is what? 36. Double of just twice of 36, that is 72. Just twice of just double this 72, so you will get 144. Just double this 144, you will get 288. So this is the pattern which is going on further in the series. But here you can see the difference was 76, between 76 and 152. Here the difference was wrong. Okay, it was not following that pattern. So when we change this, then we can see 148. After putting 148, we are getting the exact logic, exact pattern. We are able to follow that pattern. So that's why 152 is the wrong number in this series, and the right one must be 148 here. So they are asking you the wrong number in the series, so you can say 152. Option D is the correct answer. Means this is the wrong number in the series. One more thing you have to keep in your mind. Sometimes they can ask you, okay, this is the wrong number series. Tell us which number will come in place of wrong number. So just read the heading carefully. What are they asking actually? Okay, read the information carefully always, right? In uh, if we will talk about even every type of question, data sufficiency even, so they can give you some switch, right? Just reverse type of question also. Okay, so hope so it is completely clear. Now this one is the question. Here you have to find out the wrong term, okay, wrong number in the series. And this is the homework for you all, and I'm expecting the answer in the comment box. Okay, and if you even face any problem during the whole session after watching, then you can comment your doubt or your queries in the comment box. I'll definitely clear that. Okay, so we'll see you in the next session, and hope so you will answer, okay, this question in the comment box. Clear? Okay, so as at the start of session also I told you that there is a new year deal still, and it is already back. Okay, newer deals are back. So you are getting these plans. As I said, you can choose your plan, learn, pack, complete plan. This combo plans are also available, explained by me already. And you can save flat 40% of all the regulatory exam courses on Oliveboard app. So just download Oliveboard RBI SEBI Nabard means like a regulatory exam app from the Play Store. Link is given in the description box. Even the link of these courses also available in the description box. Okay, for more detail you can call us on the toll free number that you will get in the description box even. Okay, so these are the courses as I said. So for your better preparation, okay, and for just increasing your chances of selection, okay, for your better preparation, for increasing your chances of selection, you must join our course. Okay, so for subscribing our course, you must use this code HNY, and here you will, right, be able to avail. Okay, you are going to subscribe, but availing this 40% offer, you must use the code HNY. So if you are having any other query, then you can ask, right, through the toll free number. You can call on that number particular. Okay, so okay, so this is about, already I explained you courses are available, and this is about SEBI Grade A 2023 online courses are available. You can get different plans here, and some more plans are there as I said, and you're getting 40% off on those plans. Okay, those particular courses. Okay, now this is our new channel. This is the new initiative from Oliveboard for all the regulatory body exam courses. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe it and share with others also. We need your support, right? And you are our energy booster. So as I said, share with others, and also download our app for the Play Store for the latest updates and for the great courses. Okay, it is clear to all of you now. Any query? So as I said, you can avail that over 40% offer that is available still, but it is ending on 6th of February. So hurry up and go for it. Just go and subscribe the course, and for that HNY is the code which I set. So we'll see you in next session. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Good night.